Welcome students to computer class. Today we will learn a new computer programming language, that is Scratch. So here is the introduction of Scratch. Scratch is a program or software used for making simple animations and games. It provides you a graphical environment that lets you learn the programming in an easy and fun manner. Scratch helps in developing games and graphics that you can see, use and enjoy. It contains a library of characters that you can use. These characters are known as sprites. It's a programming software and it is mainly used to create animated movies. Here we have many sprites. Sprites are mainly the character of the animated movie. So we will learn a lot about Scratch in this topic. Next, this is the component of a Scratch window. Here you can see the environmental window of Scratch. First we have menu bar. With the help of menu bar, you can choose new script area. You can open already created scripts and you can save your scripts. Next, after menu bar, we have green flag and red stop sign. These symbols are basically used to start your animation or to stop your animation. Third, we have tabs. With the help of tabs, you can insert scripts. You can change the costume of your sprites. You can also insert sounds. Fourth, project name. After saving your project, it will save it with your name. Whatever name you give, it will save your project with that name. Fifth one is script area. Scripts are basically the program which is used to run your project, to make it animated. So this is the script area. We can pick and drop our instructions and command. After that we have stage. Stage is the area where all the sprites perform their action according to the instruction given to sprites. Seventh, blocks area. These are the area from where we can choose our command. We can choose motion, events, sounds, etc. And then we have sprite list. Sprite list basically contains the library of your sprites. We can choose many characters in this project. So we have many things to learn in Scratch. This is only the introduction part of your Scratch programming language. Now first we will learn about sprite. This is basically a sprite. Sprites are the objects which help in making up the Scratch projects. It performs the action in the project. A Scratch project cannot be made without the help of a sprite at all. There are various instructions like move, rotate and play music which are given to a sprite by using the graphics block. Just like a movie, we have many characters in movies. So same in the Scratch programming. We have many characters that is known as sprite. So sprites are basically the character of your animated movie. The first one is animals. We can choose many animals as a sprite character. By default, we have cat as our sprite, but we can also choose many animals from sprite library. We can also choose fantasy from the sprite library. Fantasy, basically your princess, your cartoon characters like unicorn, witch, etc. These kind of characters you can also, these are the story characters, so you can also use in your Scratch programming. Next we have letters. We can also use different letters in our Scratch programming. Next we have people. If you want to make an animated movie based on some people performing some action, you can choose people from the sprite library. Next we have things. We can also use things in our Scratch programming. These things are also sprites. So sprites can be things also. We have transportation. Suppose we want to show a scene of a sea, so you can use ship, or if you want to show the scene of a sky, you can use airplane. So we can use transportations also in our Scratch programming. So these are mainly the introduction part of our Scratch programming. In the next video, we will learn about programming, stage. Many things are ahead to learn. So we will learn many things in Scratch programming. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.